Introduction. Welcome to today's lecture on the hormonal regulation of metabolism. In this script, we will delve into the intricate mechanisms by which hormones control various metabolic pathways within the human body. Hormonal regulation is a vital component of maintaining metabolic homeostasis, and understanding these processes is crucial for medical professionals. We will explore the signaling pathways of hormones such as insulin, glucagon, growth hormone, thyroid hormone, cortisol, adipokines, Ghrelin, steroid hormones, insulin-like growth factors, pancreatic polypeptide, melatonin, and catecholamines. So, let's begin our detailed exploration of the fascinating world of hormonal regulation of metabolism. Metabolism refers to the sum of all the biochemical reactions occurring in an organism, necessary for growth, reproduction, and maintenance of cellular functions. Hormonal regulation plays a critical role in controlling these intricate metabolic processes. Hormones are chemical messengers secreted by the endocrine glands that travel through the bloodstream to reach their target tissues. They bind to specific receptors on cells and elicit a physiological response. Hormones can modulate various aspects of metabolism, including energy balance, glucose regulation, lipid metabolism, appetite control, and circadian rhythm. Understanding these regulatory mechanisms is essential for the diagnosis and treatment of metabolic disorders. Insulin and glucagon are peptide hormones produced by the pancreas and play a crucial role in glucose homeostasis. Insulin acts to lower blood glucose levels by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells and the storage of excess glucose as glycogen in the liver and muscle tissues. Glucagon, on the other hand, raises blood glucose levels by promoting glycogen breakdown, glycogenolysis, and stimulating glucose synthesis, gluconeogenesis. The signaling pathways of insulin and glucagon involve a series of receptor interactions, protein kinase cascades, and the modulation of gene expression. Dysregulation of these pathways can result in conditions such as diabetes mellitus. Growth hormone, GH, is a peptide hormone produced and released by the pituitary gland. Its primary role is to promote growth, but it also influences metabolism. GH stimulates the breakdown of fat, lipolysis, and the release of fatty acids into circulation. Additionally, it decreases glucose uptake in certain tissues, sparing glucose for the brain. GH also stimulates the production of insulin-like growth factors, IGFs, which play a crucial role in promoting growth and cell proliferation. Thyroid hormones, thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, are synthesized in the thyroid gland and have a profound impact on metabolism. They increase basal metabolic rate, promoting oxygen consumption, heat production, and nutrient utilization. Thyroid hormones also enhance the synthesis of various enzymes involved in carbohydrate, protein, and lipid metabolism. Imbalances in thyroid hormone levels can lead to metabolic disorders such as hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Cortisol is an essential hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress. It plays a crucial role in mobilizing energy reserves during the fight or flight response. Cortisol stimulates gluconeogenesis, increasing blood glucose levels. It also promotes protein breakdown and inhibits protein synthesis. Moreover, cortisol has anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive effects. Prolonged cortisol elevation can lead to metabolic disturbances, including insulin resistance and increased abdominal fat deposition. Adipokines are hormones produced by adipose tissue and contribute to the regulation of energy homeostasis. Leptin, one of the primary adipokines, suppresses appetite and increases energy expenditure. Adiponectin enhances insulin sensitivity and inhibits inflammation. Dysregulation of adipokine signaling is linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. Ghrelin is a peptide hormone secreted mainly by the stomach and plays a vital role in the regulation of appetite. It stimulates hunger and food intake by acting on the hypothalamus. Ghrelin levels rise before meals and decrease after eating. In addition to its effects on appetite, Ghrelin also influences energy expenditure, glucose metabolism, and growth hormone secretion. Steroid hormones, such as cortisol, estrogen, and testosterone, play a significant role in lipid metabolism. Steroids act on target tissues to regulate the expression of enzymes involved in lipogenesis, fatty acid synthesis, and lipolysis, breakdown of fats. These hormones also influence adipocyte function, adipokine production, and fat distribution patterns. Imbalances in steroid hormone levels can contribute to dyslipidemia and metabolic disorders. Insulin-like growth factors, IGFs, are peptide hormones similar in structure to insulin. They are primarily produced by the liver in response to growth hormone stimulation. IGFs play a crucial role in promoting growth and development, as well as regulating glucose and lipid metabolism. They increase glucose uptake in skeletal muscle and adipose tissue and promote lipolysis. IGFs also stimulate protein synthesis and inhibit protein degradation. Pancreatic polypeptide, PP, is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates food intake and energy balance. It inhibits pancreatic exocrine secretion and regulates gastric emptying. PP is also involved in the regulation of appetite and satiety. Alterations in PP levels have been associated with obesity and metabolic disorders. Melatonin is a hormone synthesized primarily by the pineal gland in response to darkness. It plays a crucial role in regulating the circadian rhythm and sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin influences metabolism by modulating glucose and lipid metabolism, insulin secretion, and mitochondrial function. Disruptions in melatonin signaling have been linked to metabolic disorders, including obesity and type 2 diabetes. Catecholamines, including adrenaline and noradrenaline, are hormones released by the adrenal glands during stress or physical activity. They mediate the fight or flight response, increasing heart rate, blood pressure, and energy expenditure. Catecholamines stimulate lipolysis, leading to the release of fatty acids into circulation. They also influence glucose metabolism by promoting glycogen breakdown and inhibiting insulin secretion. In conclusion, the hormonal regulation of metabolism is a complex and intricate system involving a multitude of hormones, signaling pathways, and target tissues. The delicate balance achieved through these regulatory processes is crucial for maintaining metabolic homeostasis. Dysfunction in hormonal regulation can lead to a variety of metabolic disorders, including diabetes, obesity, and dyslipidemia. Understanding the role of hormones in metabolism is fundamental for medical professionals in diagnosing and treating these conditions. We hope this detailed exploration has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of the fascinating subject of hormonal regulation of metabolism.